Friends, good morning. Welcome in the part 5th of how to interchange active voice into passive voice. In this video, we are going to learn how to interchange past perfect tense into passive voice. So, active voice into passive voice. We will write down first of all the structure of active voice of the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. The structure is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object plus other word. So friends, this is the structure for past perfect tense. So while interchanging this structure into passive voice, we will write down here structure of passive. First of all, we will take object of the sentence. Then according to tense, we have to take an auxiliary verb. Here had is compulsory for the past perfect. So as it is, we will write down here had. Then for perfect tense, we will write here been. Then third form of verb plus other word plus object. Okay, so this is all about the passive voice of past perfect tense. We will go through the example. He had disclosed the secret. Okay, so this is all about the structure of past perfect tense. He had disclosed the secret. Why we can say this is in the past perfect tense? Because according to the structure, we have taken subject, then had, it is a compulsory for past perfect tense, then disclosed, it is the third form of verb, then object, and there is no other word in this sentence. So this is the kind structure for the past perfect tense. So while interchanging this same structure into passive voice, या सेम स्ट्रक्चरला पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसमध्ये आपल्याला कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे आणि तुमच्या स्क्रीनच्या समोर तुम्हाला दिसत आहे दिलेली स्ट्रक्चर, ही स्ट्रक्चर आहे पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसची. सो द सिक्रेट, सुरुवातीला काय घ्यायचं आहे? द सिक्रेट. द सिक्रेट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेन्स विच विल बिकम सब्जेक्ट इन द पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस. सो वी विल टेक द सिक्रेट. Then according to tense, we have to take auxiliary verb, but in this case it is past perfect, that is why we will take an had. For the singular as well as plural, I will take had. It is compulsory for past perfect. The secret had. For perfect tense, don't forget to use of been before main verb. Understand? The secret had been, then disclosed, it is already in the third form. Second form and third forms are same. So disclosed. There is no extension. वाक्यामध्ये other words किंवा extension नाही आहे. त्याकरता आपण preposition by हा कंपल्सरी यूज करणार आणि सब्जेक्ट जो की प्रोनाउन फॉर्ममध्ये आहे त्याची possessive केस घेणार. He will become him. Okay. So the secret had been disclosed by him, full stop. So this is all about the passive voice of past perfect tense. You got it? Then we will interchange the same structure into negative. Past perfect tense in negative with the example we will explain here. We will take another example. She had described a narration. She had described a narration. This is past perfect tense. So we will apply here not for the negative. For making this sentence into negative, we will write down after auxiliary verb not. त्यानंतर हे वाक्य काय झालेलं आहे? निगेटिव्ह झालेलं आहे. शी हॅड नॉट डिस्क्राइब अ नॅरेशन. सो द सेम वे वी विल ट्रान्सफर दिस सेंटेन्स इंटू पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस ऑल्सो. अ नॅरेशन had not been a narration had not been. Narration, it is in the singular, that is why for past perfect we have taken here had, then for negative we have applied here not, then for perfect tense we have applied here been. Then it is compulsory to take third form of verb in the passive structure. So described. A narration had not been described by her. Okay. A narration had not been described by her. This is the negative structure for the past perfect tense. Okay. Then we will explain this structure with the verbal and verbal negative. So how to interchange past perfect tense? We will try to transform this into verbal structure. So students, in the verbal type, how to interchange active voice into passive voice? On the screen you are watching an example. The government had launched the midday meal. This is the structure for past perfect tense. And while interchanging this sentence into verbal passive, so we have to write down first of all the structure. Had the government launched the midday meal. Question mark. This is the verbal structure for past perfect tense. So while interchanging this structure into passive voice, we have to interchange according to the object. We should take auxiliary verb. So had, it is already given. So as it is we will write down here had. या वाक्यामध्ये पास्ट परफेक्टच्या वाक्यामध्ये आपल्याला ॲक्झिलरी व्हर्बसाठी तेवढी चिंता करण्याचं कारण नसते, कारण इथे एकच गिवन असते हॅड, जो की सिंग्युलरसाठी तोच आहे आणि प्लुरलसाठी सुद्धा तोच आहे. तर द मिड डे मील इट इज इन द सिंग्युलर फॉर्म. मिड डे मील हा काय आहे, सिंग्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये आहे आणि त्यासाठी आपण काय घेतलेलं आहे हॅड. देन टेक अ ऑब्जेक्ट विच विल बिकम सब्जेक्ट. द मिड डे मील, द midday meal. Then had the midday meal. For perfect tense write down here been. Had the midday meal been launched. There is no extension or other word. Directly we will write here preposition by and then take a possessive case of the subject. But the government, it is in the noun form. The government we will write down as it is, and don't forget to write down question mark at the end of sentence. So this has become the passive structure of verbal kind of sentence. Had the midday meal been launched by the government. So while interchanging into negative, so we will write down first of all structure verbal negative. For the verbal negative, what will be the verbal of this sentence? We will take another example. We had given a notice. This is another example, and we have to transfer this example into verbal negative. So what will be the verbal negative of this sentence? Had we not given a notice? Question mark. It is the verbal negative of past perfect tense. While interchanging this type of sentence into passive voice, how to interchange? Had we not given a notice? What is the structure for passive? First of all we will write down had, then object, then had, then object, then not, then been, third form of verb plus other word plus subject. After that we can write here by plus subject plus question mark. So this is the passive structure for past perfect tense. ही काय झाली, पॅसिव्हची स्ट्रक्चर झाली पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्समध्ये. मग दिलेलं सेंटेन्स आहे तुमच्या स्क्रीनवरती, हॅड वी नॉट गिवन अ नोटीस. हॅड वी नॉट गिवन अ नोटीस, दिस सेंटेन्स वी विल ट्रान्सफर इन टू passive voice. So first of all, a notice. I have already told you what in the past tense auxiliary verb has given had, and it is useful for the singular as well as plural, for both. Had. So had we will take compulsory. Then had a notice. Had a notice. Then according to the structure, had a notice, not been given, had a notice not been given by us, question mark. So this is the passive voice for past perfect tense in verbal negative. We will take another example. They had searched a nice planning. They had searched a nice planning. Okay, so this is past perfect tense. We will transfer into verbal negative. Had they not searched a nice planning. Had they searched a nice planning. Had they not searched a nice planning. हे जे दिलेलं सेंटेन्स आहे, हे सेंटेन्स आहे वर्बल निगेटिव्हमध्ये पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्सचं. या वाक्याला आता आपल्याला पॅसिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये करायचं आहे आणि स्ट्रक्चर आपल्याकडे आहे, तिला थोडं पाहून घ्या. हॅड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस बीन प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस अदर वर्ड प्लस preposition by plus subject plus question mark. Then directly as it is we can apply all the given structure into sentence. दिलेलं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे हे जसंच्या तसं आपण या वाक्यामध्ये घेऊन या. A nice planning. We will take had. A nice planning. Had a nice planning. Not been searched. Look at here. Why we have taken been? Because the given sentence is in perfect tense. Why we have taken not? Because we are making verbal negative. Why we had applied here? We have applied here had as an auxiliary verb because given structure is in the verbal type of sentence. Okay, had a nice planning, not been searched. Then there is nothing in the sentence. Nothing, it means there is no other word, there is no extension. वाक्यामध्ये एक्सटेन्शन दिलेलं नाही. डायरेक्टली आपण काय घेतलेलं आहे, प्रेपोजिशन बायचा वापर केलेला आहे. हॅड अ नाईस प्लॅनिंग नॉट बीन सर्च बाय देम. अँड डोंट फॉरगेट टू राईट डाऊन क्वेश्चन मार्क ॲट द लास्ट ऑफ द सेंटेन्स. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स इन वर्बल निगेटिव्ह. So friends, while interchanging active voice into passive voice in WH type, we have the already structure you are watching on the screen. WH plus had plus subject plus third form of verb V3 plus object plus other word plus question mark. This is the structure for the WH question in past perfect tense. While interchanging past perfect tense in WH structure into passive voice, so the second structure of passive voice has been given on the screen. You can watch and write down into your notebook. आपल्या नोटबुकमध्ये हे जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे ते लिहून घ्या. स्ट्रक्चर आहे WH प्लस हॅड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन प्लस third form of verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. This is the smart structure for the passive voice. So you are watching on the screen given sentence for the past perfect tense. We had disclosed the secret. We had disclosed. Had disclosed is denoting past perfect tense. Had disclosed is denoting past perfect tense. So while interchanging into this structure, so why had we disclosed the secret question mark. So this is the structure of WH type of question. Why had we disclosed the secret? So do you know the definition of interrogative sentence? While interchanging any kind of sentence into passive voice, before that we have to know the structure of that particular kind of sentence. Interrogative sentence means the sentence which begins with WH type of word and at the last of the sentence we should apply question mark. This is the identification marks of the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is used to ask a question. Okay, so why had we disclosed the secret? This is the interrogative kind of sentence, and while interchanging this type of sentence into passive voice, we have the particular structure. You are watching on the screen the passive structure for the past perfect tense in WH types. So which is that? Why had we disclosed the secret? So this sentence we will transfer into passive voice. So first of all we will take WH. WH is already given. So why? We will take why. Then had. Why we have taken had? In other hand, in a different kind of sentence, for example in present perfect tense, there may be a secrets. So what we will take? Have. Because secrets it is in the plural form. But here maybe this sentence will be the secrets, but we will use had. इथे secrets जरी असतं तरी आपण hadच घेतला असता. जे वेगळे सेंटेन्सेस आहे प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्समध्ये जर इथे सिक्रेट्स असतं तर आपण हॅज घेतलं असता का? नाही, इथे हॅव घ्यावं लागलं असता, कारण दिलेलं ऑब्जेक्ट जे की सब्जेक्ट बनणार आहे ते प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये असतं आणि त्यासाठी म्हणून आपल्याला हॅव घ्यावा लागला असता. परंतु पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्समध्ये तसं नाही. इथे सिंग्युलरसाठी सुद्धा हॅड आहे आणि प्लुरलसाठी सुद्धा हॅडच घ्यायचं आहे. वाय हॅड द सिक्रेट? वाय हॅड द secret? Then we will write down been. Why we have taken been here? Because the given structure is in the past perfect tense. That's why we have applied here, or it is compulsory to take been before main verb. And what is the main verb? Disclosed. It is in the third form of verb. Disclosed, it is already in the third form. So that we will write down as it is, disclosed. Isn't it? Then is there any extension in the word? No, there is no extension in the word, in the sentence. So we will write down preposition by and take a possessive case of the subject if the subject is in pronoun form. So given subject is in the pronoun form, that's why we will take us. And don't forget to write down question mark. If you will not use question mark at the end of the sentence to WH type of question, so your sentence will be totally wrong. So this is structure for what? WH question in passive voice. Why had the secret been disclosed by us? Question mark. Okay, then we will explain with the negative type. WH of negative. How to interchange WH question in negative. So why had subject plus not, and here also WH plus had plus object plus not. Don't forget to write down not in the active structure after subject and in the passive structure after object. This is all about the question, WH question in negative of past perfect tense. We will go through the example. Okay, so we will take different example. We will take noun. Sham, why had Sham played a flute? Okay. Why had Sham played a flute? Why had Sham played a flute? Okay, this is the structure of WH question. So while making this structure into negative, we can write down here not after subject. We will apply here not. Why had Sham not played a flute? This is the structure for the WH type of question in past perfect tense. While interchanging the same structure into passive voice, WH negative into passive voice. So why had a flute? Why had a flute? Then we have taken WH, we have taken had, then object, then for negative in the WH we will write down here not. काय लिहायचं आहे आपल्याला? Not. का बरं? Because we are making this structure into negative. Why had a flute not then been? It is for the perfect tense. Then third form of verb, it means V3. It is already in the third form. So we will write as it is. Why had a flute not been played by? It is a preposition and Sham. It is noun. So we will write as it is Sham. And don't forget to apply here question mark. Okay, at the end of the sentence. So this is all about WH question in negative of past perfect tense. Hello friends. So active voice into passive voice is simple future tense. So you all know about the structure of simple future tense. What is the structure for simple future tense? The structure is given on the whiteboard, you can watch. Structure is subject plus will oblique shall plus first form of verb plus object plus other word. We will go through the example. She will hit a ball. It is a very simple sentence, or it is a simple structure for the सिंपल फ्युचर टेन्स. इट इज अ सिंपल फ्युचर टेन्स. साधा वर्तमान काळ. साधा वर्तमान काळ हा कसा ओळखायचा आहे? त्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट असला पाहिजे, त्यामध्ये विल किंवा शॉल अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट घ्यायचा आहे. शॉल किंवा विल. सिंग्युलरसाठी विल आणि आय असल्यास किंवा उई असल्यास शॉल घ्यायचा आहे. त्यानंतर क्रियापदाचं हे जे रूप आहे हे फर्स्ट फॉर्ममध्ये असलं पाहिजे. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब असलं पाहिजे क्रियापदाचं रूप. देन नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट अँड अदर वर्ड if necessary in the sentence. So she will hit a ball. She will hit a ball. It is in the simple future tense. So while making this structure into passive voice, so first of all we will take object which will become subject according to the rule. We will take object will become subject and subject will become object. So here a ball is given as a object of the sentence which will become subject in the passive voice. Then according to tense we have to take an auxiliary verb. Given sentence is in the future tense. Given sentence is in the future tense. So we will take will oblique shall. A ball. It is in the singular. That's why we will take will. Then for future tense we must have to use be. It is compulsory for the shall oblique will. Means in a simple future tense be is necessary to take while making passive after auxiliary verb or before main verb. मेन व्हर्बच्या पूर्वी किंवा ऑक्झिलरी व्हर्बच्या नंतर बी हे सिंपल फ्युचर टेन्सला कन्वर्ट करत असताना तुम्हाला घ्यायचं आहे. अ बॉल विल बी हिट बाय हर. ओके. सो शी विल hit a ball. It is the structure for the active voice. Then rule number 3, in passive voice main verb should be in the third form. So hit and hit. The first one is same, second one is same, and third means hit is first, Hit will be second form of verb and hit will be third form of verb. So she will hit a ball. So while making passive, a ball will be. Why we have taken will be? Because a ball it is in the singular form. For future tense we have to use be. A ball will be hit. A ball will be hit by her. A ball will be hit by her. This is the simple future tense in the passive voice. Okay. Next example we will take. He will accept a proposal. He will accept a proposal. He will accept a proposal. This is the constructions of simple future tense according to the structure, according to the rule. Because first of all subject, then shall oblique will, then first form of verb, then object of the sentence. So this is the structure in the simple future tense. So while making this simple future into passive voice, we have the rules, we have the structure given on the screen you are watching. First of all, object we will take, then will oblique shall according to the object which will be in the singular, then we will take will, and for I or we will take definitely shall. Then accept, it is in the first form, it will transfer into third form. Then we will take preposition by and then take possessive case of the subject if the subject is in pronoun form. So this sentence we will transfer into passive voice. A proposal will be. Why we have taken will be here? Because for future will and for future structure we will apply here be before main verb. A proposal will be accepted. Then there is no extension, that's why we will directly apply preposition by and then take a possessive case of the subject if the subject is in pronoun form. So he has become by him. A proposal will be accepted by him. So if you want to take a screenshot from the screen, you can take. Thank you very much.